Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and easy green pea and carrot rice that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Of course, I want to start by adding 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter to my pan. Let me tell you, when you cook rice with butter, the rice is not going to brown, but it's going to really get coated with the unsalted butter. And I'm using unsalted butter because I want to have control of how much salt I am adding to this amazing white rice with veggies. Let me tell you, once you make it, you're really going to love this amazing rice. White rice with green peas and carrots, just amazing. And here, once the butter has dissolved completely, of course, I'm going to cook my rice in medium heat. And now I am ready to add the rice. Add the rice in this amazing butter. Coat it completely, making sure that all the rice is coated with the butter. Look how easy this is. Once you add it and everything is nice and coated, I'm going to add the chicken bouillon. I'm going to mix it very well, coat all the rice, those little specks of rice into the chicken bouillon. I'm going to add the veggies and be very generous with your veggies and just coat everything. Of course, when you make rice, you really want to add hot water. You really want to start by adding hot water. I am using 1 cup of rice and I'm going to use 3 cups of hot water. Remember, always follow the instructions of your rice. Every rice is different and you cook it different. I am using Valverde rice. So here I'm adding 3 cups of hot water. I am going to incorporate it really good. And let me tell you, once it starts bubbling in the center, you're going to cover it and you're going to let it cook for 15 minutes. No longer mixing, no longer opening and checking the rice. Leave it for 15 minutes. Cooking in medium heat. Once you start seeing those little bubbles in the center, cover it. If you want your rice to be fluffy, to be pulling apart from each other, every granule, there's no need to mix anymore. There's no need to open your pan. Just leave it like that. If you're seeing bubbling like I'm seeing now, there's still liquid in there. Don't worry, it's not going to get burned. Just leave it like that in medium heat. There's no need to open. Once you start seeing your rice that it's hot and you no longer see those little bubbles, then that's when you know that the rice is ready, that you could open the lid and check your rice. And look at this. Let me show you how easy it is to prepare a perfect, not sticky, but perfect rice with veggies. Look how it pulls apart. It didn't stick to the pan in the center. It's really fluffy. And of course, I want to show you from close up so that you see. Use a fork so you could fluff it up and you could really see how fluffy it is. This white rice smells amazing. And look at this. Fluffy, pulls apart, and that's exactly how you want a white rice with veggies. A lot of people have been asking how I make those little circles of my rice. Of course, on my channel, you have so many recipes of rice, and most of them you could see the presentation, how beautiful they look. And now I want to show you how I make those amazing circles of rice. Very easy. I'm going to get a little plate. I'm going to start packing it with rice and all the mixture I have here so that you can make it at home. Remember, when you look at a plate and it looks gorgeous and it looks delicious, well, let me tell you, it's very easy for a plate, for the presentation of a plate to look amazing. I'm going to pack it in, press it in very well, being very careful that I don't get burned because this rice is still nice and hot. Once you have it like that packed in, you are ready to put it on your plate. And let me show you how it's going to come out. It comes out perfect every time. You're going to love this white rice with veggies. It's still really hot, and this is the perfect time to pack it in. And look how gorgeous this looks. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continue growing. I am ready for the presentation. Can't wait to enjoy. Look how beautiful this looks. White rice with all those veggies in between. You could add chicken, you could add beef, you could add chile colorado to this. There's so many things that you could combine this amazing rice with. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. So I'll see you in just a little bit. With this amazing white rice with veggies. A lot of people ask me, how do I get these circles? Well, now I showed you. Very easy, and it looks amazing, and I'm sure it's going to taste delicious. Let's see how this came out. The granules of rice really don't stick to each other. They pull apart really easily, and it's nice and fluffy. Excuse me. So delicious. Let me tell you, you could add this right to carne asada, chicken, shrimp, fish. You decide. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing rice. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.